Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Gemini 8 sign, and this reading is for the month of August, and this reading is from August 11th to August 20th. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past Gemini. Eight of Swords, Death, King of Swords. In recent past, you could be stuck because you are undergoing some transformation. Death, King of Swords. I think you are very straightforward. You cut some person off from your life, or there is no communication between both of you. So let's see what is going between both of you. What is going between both of you in your connection? Three of Swords. Yes, I think your person or you. I think you very heartbroken. For what? The Devil. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, or Capricorn. The Moon. Yes, I think your person hides something from you. Your person could be Pisces also. That's why you are very hurt. And your person could be addicted to some bad habits, or you both obsessed with each other. Definitely there is separation for some. For some there is less communication or no communication. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. The Tower. Yeah. Two of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. I think some Tower moment is already happened in your life, or it is going to be happen in near future. And Two of Pentacles, I think your person, after the separation, your person feel like this Tower moment. Two of Pentacles, your person is juggling between two things, you and you, their career, between two things. They are guarded. I am not seeing any action cards here. Definitely they are thinking about options, what to choose, what not to choose. So let's pull some more cards from universe for clarity. Judgment, Ace of Wands, the Fool. Yeah, definitely you both want new beginning with each other. Judgment, definitely it will happen, but it will take time, because the Fool is new beginning and Ace of Wands is also new beginning. There is passion also. Judgment, definitely reconciliation. There is 90% chances for reconciliation, because you both want this. Yeah, under the deck, Page of Swords. I think your person could be spying on your social media, or you could be receive some communication from your person. Lot of air energies here. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you, because you both want reconciliation with each other. But I think some obsession, some deception is here in this connection. I think one person hides something from another person, because the Moon is here, and one person acting like guarded, defensive. One person is very defensive in this connection, but one person is putting all the effort. So when there is no equal give and take in any connection, there is no upgrade in that connection. So in any connection we have to be equal give and take. We have equal responsibilities. So definitely if you both want reconciliation, definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. Your person is also wanting reconciliation, and you also want reconciliation with your person. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.